All right, here we are. Yes, so welcome to Greece again, the former known as Greek Olympics. And we may think of that as the same way here in a minute. But, anyways, the Olympics did start in Greece, and we'll talk about that more later on. What's exciting about this year is this winter we are having Olympics. So, as you're learning about Greece, just think about the up and coming Olympics, and it all started way back in the day. All right, let's do a review of Greek geography or Greek beginnings. Here we go. Check it out. Check it out. Yeah. All right. So here we go. So I want to do. If you're in the class, if you think you know the answer to these questions, I don't mind if you holler it out. You can be as loud as you want. Holler it out if you want. So I'm gonna read it. If you know the answer, holler it out. If you don't know the answer, just sit there quietly. I will show you. I will tell you. So here we go. In ancient times, was Greece a united country? No, it was not. It was divided because of its rocky terrain. Here we go. So, what landforms do you think of that characterize Greece the best? We're looking for two. The mountains are obvious. The other one starts with a P. Anybody have a clue? There we go. Well, you could say plains, kind of, but we want to look at mountains and that Greece is a peninsula. It means it's almost surrounded by water, and it's about 2,000 islands you could include in there also. So here we go. Checking out the map below. Look at the map. Look at the map. It'll help you. So this helped shape Greek civilization, just as Mesopotamia was shaped by the Tigris and Euphrates. So it's asking, what's the important waterways around Greece? Anybody? Anybody? Holler them out. Yeah, all right. I heard one. The Mediterranean would be below Greece. But to the west of Greece, you have the Ionian Sea. To the east, you have the Aegean Sea. And way over there, you've got the Black Sea. So the Aegean, the Ionian, and the Black. All right. How much of the land in Greece was covered by mountains? Most of it. The percent we're looking for is 75% or 3/4 of it is nothing but mountains. Yeah, makes you have some strong legs if you live there. Here we go. So, were the Greeks able to build many roads? What do y'all think? Yes or no? No, they're not. But why? There's all these mountains in the way. That's right. That's right. So, how much of Greece is arable? Do y'all know what arable means? Look at the picture. They can grow stuff. They're farming. That's right. How much of it is farmable or arable? It's what's left over, 25%. All right, here we go. Did Greece have a large or a small population? It has a small population. Two reasons. All right. The first and the big one is they don't have enough water, and not just water in general, but they don't have enough fresh water. And also the mountains kept them from growing a lot or creating a lot of places to live. Here we go. Number two. The climate in Greece allowed the Greeks to spend most of their time where? Because it's so nice. Yeah, I heard it. I heard it. Outside. Good job. Good job. Here we go. So, this is the first big group of people in Greece. All right. It's surrounded by a protective wall, 20 feet tall. They're kind of not Greek yet. They came in. They were Indo-Europeans. They came in. They took over the area. Later, we'll call them Greeks. Anybody know their names? Yeah, I heard it. The Mycenaean civilization. There's Brad Pitt playing Achilles in the movie Troy, the original Mycenaean Greek god. Yeah. All right. So here's some years that the Mycenae existed. All right. And who did the Mycenaeans? Then they learned the value of getting in a boat and traveling around, getting off the land. Anybody remember the second group you're supposed to know about? I heard it. Yeah, there was the first the Mycenaeans, and then here comes the Minoans. All right, and then after, all right. So, in the story of the Trojan War, what was the name of that beautiful wife of the Greek king that was kidnapped? Anybody know her name? Starts with an H. Boom! Jay Sean got that. Yes, it's Helen. Yes, very good, very good. All right, here we go. Let's keep rolling. All right. So, after Mycenae civilization collapsed, another one moved in. I called them the dumb. I remember? The Dorians, the dumb Dorians, because they weren't as advanced. That's right. Very, very good. All right. So, what do we know about the Dorians? What that question's asking. Do we know much? We don't know very much. They didn't leave anything for us. They were less advanced. We don't know very much. All right. So, who's going to be their greatest storyteller that we will learn a lot from? Homer. Yeah. When you look at dictionary.com, it doesn't have his name, does it? It says it's a run. You get to run around the bases because you hit it over the fence if you did what you're supposed to. So How did Greeks learn about their history? Through the spoken word. And the main one was Homer. Very good. And there he is. Look at that. Look at that cool beard. Yes. All right, here we go. Homer composed narrative poems, all right, about heroes that usually died. What did we call those poems? It started with an E. Epics. Nice job. All right, so he wrote many epics, all right, and which one of them included the Trojan War? Do I remember? I'll give you multiple choice. It's either the Iliad or the Odyssey. It is the Iliad. The first one he wrote had the Trojan War in it. Very good. All right, here we go. So the Greeks created these stories about gods that were very similar to humans. What do we call these stories today? They are myths. Very good. All right, what were they trying to understand by creating myths? There's two things here: the power of nature and the power of our human passions of love, joy, hate, jealousy, all that stuff. All right, here we go. So Greek gods were not just given divine qualities. That means supernatural qualities, but they were also giving what other quality? They were given qualities like you and I, like I just said, love, joy, peace, patience, all that stuff, hate, jealousy. All right, who is that ruler of all the gods of Greece? Holler it out. Y'all know it. Y'all don't know who the leader of all the gods of Greece are? It's Charlie. That's right. No, it is Zeus. Good job. Look at that beard. Isn't that cool? Yeah. Get you one of those, Miguel. That's what I'm talking about. That fit with your hair. That'd be nice. Yeah. So where did he live? Anybody know where he lived? He lived on Mount Olympus, and that's it in Greece. So if you go to Greece, that's Mount Olympus right over there. All right. Who was his pretty wife? Starts with an H. Not Helen, but Hera. Very good. Okay. And then the goddess of wisdom, which was one of Zeus's children, was Athena inside of the Parthenon. All right, last one. Does anybody know who that Greek god is? He's holding up the earth. It's not Hercules. If you want to used to go on a trip, you need a map. You go by a road, start with an A. A road atlas. They call him Atlas, and that's where that came from. All right, all right. Very good, very good. Hope you like that. That'll be good. If everybody would. Okay, you've got ed puzzle to do. Everybody go knock that thing out.